Okay. So, first of all, welcome Aditi for this session. Thank you for taking out your time, it's precious time, to mentor all of us, including me and all these members that are part of our community. Okay.
Thank you
So,
so much for having me. Thank you so much. I'm excited. I am new to this PM sessions, and I'm sure that you're doing a great job, Sachin. Kudos to you that you have such a good following, and people are here to learn from you. And I am here to learn from you as well. Yeah, let's do this.
thank you. So let's start with some quick queries. Okay. So you can start with your journey, that how you led into product management. आपका कैसे journey पूरा start हुआ है पूरा. So
Right.
I'm sure that will be very helpful for others to know.
Right, right. Okay, so I have been working for about 10, 11 years now, but not all of those years I've been a product manager, right? I've worked as a Q analyst. Like everybody starts in Infosys. I started in Infosys way back when. And when I was at Infosys, I realized that I am very interested in understanding the business requirement documents, BRDs that would come from the client or from our business analysis team, and I would find issues in the requirements itself, that the way
Okay.
that they're written, that the way they are, like there were holes in the way that they have thought through the solution of a problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that made me realize that I can probably do this. Like, might as well shift there, right? Why not do this, right? And if you know Infosys, if how many of you have been in Infosys or TCS or like Tech Mahindra or any of these companies, if you know, you can't really, you know, shift or jump like that. It'll take a lot of time, a lot of effort to get into it. Nothing against them. They're great organizations on their own, but it would take time for you to shift, right? And I am a little, chaotic. Organized chaos is what I call it. I am a little like that. And so I wanted to switch quickly, and so I did my MBA. And after my MBA, I got a job in one of the services company as a business analyst.
Mm-hmm.
And then I grew as a senior business analyst. And so essentially, when you are working in a services company, I think starting off, and probably like one of the nuggets that I would give now, starting
Mm-hmm.
off in a services company is a great idea, only because you will have an exposure to a lot more kind of technologies, kind of problems, kind of people. I mean, clients are your customers, those clients will have their own customers, right? So you will have an exposure to a lot more than being in product, right? Because in product you have, I mean, nothing against, again, nothing against the product company. I'm working in a product company right now, but starting off from there does give you a good understanding of, अच्छा so ये IoT driven app banana hai, and then this is a Walmart app, or this is a, so IoT driven app will have very different customers from a app which is Walmart, which is like just pharmacy, right? Pharmacy
Mm-hmm.
based. So you'll have all those problems to solve very early in your career.
Mm-hmm.
It is a good idea, I believe. Might not be a common consensus, but I think that helped me. And then moving on to in 2 years, I moved on to a fintech company, and yeah, I've been there since I think like now 8 years. I've been in fintech business. Yeah.
Okay. Nice, nice. So you believe that when we are working as a part of the services company, so we are getting an exposure on multiple kind of products.
Yeah, yeah.
Technology changes.
Yeah, technology changes, customers change. I think the most important part is identifying your problem, right? You as a product manager, the one job, if you have, is
Hmm.
identifying the problem, right?
Problems. Yes.
Sometimes product managers are treated as, "Arey, these are like kya hai hum hi khud hi kar lenge" type, right?
Hmm.
That's not true. Your part is identifying the problem and own the solution. You might not be the only one to come up with the solution, because creating a solution is a collaborative effort, right? You
Right.
need to speak with your tech team, your marketing team, your sales teams, your all the teams that are involved. So speak with them, but you own the solution. and you identify, or you are the person who says अच्छा ये problem है, इसको हमने इस तरह से solve करना है, ठीक है? तो that
Hmm.
is something that you do. And I think
Right.
in a services company you figure out, you have a lot of exposure to different kinds of companies. And when you do that, you in your early in your career, you understand how one, like a solution, say somebody who says acha pharmacy mein let's use a red button, and as a source button, SOS button. I'm giving a very like basic example.
Hmm. Hmm.
Red SOS button, and versus something for somewhere else that you need a like a different color of button. Like the color of button itself you can't use as a global solution. I'm just
Right.
giving that example, right? That
Hmm.
basic. So
Hmm.
obviously the other solutions that you come up with are also different, and then it is
Right.
interesting as well. I will talk about my fintech experience as well, but I'm
Yes,
giving
yes.
you the opportunity to ask questions.
Yeah, definitely, definitely, definitely. You can continue with that. That's a good thing.
Okay. All right. So in fintech, in a product company, right? I think it is important again because it is a B2C company. The company that I work in is a B2C company. You
Hmm.
need to be very, very truly customer oriented. You are the customer's champion. Nobody else will think about the customer. Trust me, people who've been working for X years in the company, tech folks working so and very smart people, right?
Hmm.
Even they would not think of, they would say अरे यार ये जल्दी से हो जाएगा, ये वाला कर लेते हैं, this is easier to for me to do,
ऐसे बनाते हैं इसको
इसको
जल्दी
ऐसे बना लेते हैं, खत्म करते हैं. I'm like, no, you can't do this, customers will drop off, nobody cares, like you will not put this ahead or whatever, right?
Yeah.
I'm not going into a lot of details because
Hmm.
I'm not sure if that will help the conversation, but I think it is important to that in a B2C company you are the customer's champion
Right.
first, and then you, based on that, you realize, you understand the problems identifying in B2C is different from the problems identified that you identify in a services company. In
Right.
B2C you have a lot more control because you are looking at the data
Yes.
on everyday basis, or I mean we would like to say every day, but like every
Hmm.
other day a product
Hmm.
hunter is supposed to look at the data
Yes.
and then identify the problem, right?
Right.
Nobody else will come and help you or hold your hand and say that okay, you got to tell me "Arey, this bug was there, that bug, the button was not working." You would
Right.
not know. It's a big website, there are millions of buttons, you don't know what is working or what is not working until you look at the data.
Data.
Your
Yeah.
data should be really strong. If you I would suggest every one of you should do a Google Analytics course if you guys have not done it. I think that is a great first step to understand how to look at data. And every company has their own internal way of storing their data as well, which you guys can pivot and stuff like that. I'm sure that Excel.
बेसिक्स विल गेट क्लियर फ्रॉम द गूगल एनालिटिक्स अगर आपको वो आता है तो उस सारे साइट्स
हाँ,
भी आपको
बिल्कुल,
क्लियर
अगर
करते
आपको
हैं.
वो आता है और आपको वो डेटा
हम्म.
पढ़ना आता है और कुछ केस स्टडीज़ आई एम श्योर इंटरनेट पे होंगी,
हम्म.
उनको करना चाहिए सो टू सी कि कैसे आप ये आइडेंटिफ़ाई करो कि अगर मेरा पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी कस्टमर नहीं जा रहा है, तो
हम्म.
क्या हो गया? क्यों नहीं जा रहा है?
राइट.
एकदम से 10% कस्टमर ही क्यों जा पा रहे हैं? क्या हो गया
हम्म.
बाकी कस्टमर्स को? तो बहुत सारे रीज़न्स हो सकते हैं, एपीआई नहीं चल रही है, बटन नहीं चल रहा है, बटन दिख नहीं रहा है, कुछ
हम्म.
डिवाइसेज़ में नहीं चल रहा है बटन, डिवाइसेज़ में बटन बिलो हो गया है आपका।
राइट.
10,000 रीज़न्स कैन हैपन।
यस.
आपने डेटा गलत डाल दिया, आपने बटन का कलर चेंज कर दिया, कस्टमर को समझ नहीं आ रहा, लाइक अ वेरी फेमस फ्लिपकार्ट
राइट.
स्टोरी राइट कि बटन का कलर चेंज हो गया था, तो दे वर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड,
यस.
राइट? So I
हम्म.
think that is something that you should you should be a data driven PM, and there is no PM who's not data driven.
हम्म.
I don't think ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप अपना डेटा ना देखो.
हम्म. Yeah, basically in services and in B2B both, I feel that something that matters from your speaking language. It sounds like you. Okay. Okay. So basically in B2B and in services mainly the customer drives the product. Customer drives the product. However, in when I'm saying a customer, basically it's a B2B customer drives the process कि अगर वहां पे आपके कस्टमर ने बोल दिया ये फीचर चाहिए तो वो चल बनेगा. बट एज अ B2C product manager, your data drives Data drives the progress. Do you agree, Aditi?
I'm sorry, I was disconnected for the last, I think, 30
Okay.
seconds. Yeah.
So what I was saying that in B2, either it's a B2B product or it's a services company. Over
Hmm.
there, these customers drive the success.
Yeah,
कस्टमर ने बोला तो वो चीज बनेगी.
correct.
But however, in the B2C businesses, your
Hmm.
data is the king. Data ने
Correct.
जो बोला वो बनेगा.
Exactly.
And
Data ने
product
जो
managers
बोला,
own the data.
yeah. या
Yeah.
आई एग्री. आपको अगर अगर आपको से मुझे कल एक प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, से मुझे कल एक एआई प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, राइट? आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ इट एंड आई एम सेइंग कि यार एक एआई प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं जिससे कि हमारा प्रोसेस इजी हो जाए, राइट? से
Hmm.
फॉर हमारा क्रेडिट कार्ड एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस, फॉर एग्जांपल, गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ द कंपनी दैट आई वर्क इन, क्रेडिट कार्ड एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस इजी हो जाए, तो मैं जब भी जाऊंगी प्रपोजल लेके अपनी टेक टीम के पास या मैनेजमेंट के पास, वो बोलेंगे कैसे पता,
How
कैसे
do you
पता
know
कि
this?
इजी
Yeah.
हो जाएगा? हाउ डू यू
Right.
नो दैट इट विल हेल्प यू? हाउ डू यू
Yeah.
नो दैट इट विल, what is the data backing it? It
Right.
can either be market research, it can be the data that you have. There are some things which you might not have current data
Hmm.
with of. For that you will have to figure out what is the lowest hanging fruit that I can do to
Hmm.
get data,
Right.
right? For example, I launched a feature in mobile app, which is essentially a video feature, right? We wanted to do something similar to Insta Reels feature, which is now called in mobile app. It's called Rupee Reels, right?
Hmm.
Now, if we would have made something like Insta Reels ki और लोग share कर सके, उनको like कर सके उसको, and like a social platform बनाए उसको and all that, like that would have taken us months,
Hmm.
right? And we are not that company. We are not, that
Yes.
is not our bread and butter, right?
Yes. Yes.
Insta,
Yes.
that is the bread and butter. Our bread and butter is not that, right?
Hmm.
So how do you figure out quick thing कि आप ये देख सकते हो कि इससे कुछ हेल्प होगा भी कि नहीं, कि क्या ये
Hmm.
आगे चलेगा कि नहीं? So what
Hmm.
I did was we launched this feature with set of, हमारे पास 150-200 वीडियोस हमने निकाले यूट्यूब से अपने, लाइक बैंक बाजार मेड वीडियोस as well as
Hmm.
videos which were made by other creators which are not negative about
Hmm. Hmm.
etc. So ये सब हमने निकाले, एक जगह स्टोर किया और बस वेब पे अपने ऐप पे होस्ट कर दिया. That
Hmm.
took us 1 month.
Hmm.
1 month also because like testing cycle etc होती है,
Yeah. Yeah.
and launch cycle होती है अपनी, like बड़ी कंपनीज में थोड़ा,
Hmm.
तो like it took us 1 month. But at
Hmm.
least now I know कि वो वर्क करेगा कि नहीं, कस्टमर उससे इंटरैक्ट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, वो मैं उसको चला पा रही हूँ कि नहीं. I have now.
Validating the MVP, validating the idea.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Validating the MVP, if you
Hmm.
don't have data, is important. Otherwise,
Right.
data is the king, like you
Yeah.
said.
Yeah. Yeah. So Aditi, can you please explain on the topic, on the product basically that you are working right now? Because I'm sure you have mentioned this thing. So in
Hmm.
Bank Bazaar, because they are definitely it's a big app. What are the more segment that you are looking into, or what are the features, or anything specific, or uh, basically what are things that you are taking care of as a senior PM at Bank Bazaar?
All right. All right. I might should have prepared for this question, right? But honestly, I'm looking at
Anything?
a lot of things right now
Uh,
because I look at mobile apps as well as the websites conversions. I
uh,
look at SEO conversions as well, which is essentially improving the organic growth.
Read. Mhm.
Not just the traffic. Traffic is for a different team, but what do we do of the traffic is something that I look at as well, right? So there are
Mm.
so many facets. So
Mm.
I'll probably say that right now I'm looking at something which interesting, which is launching a paperless loan, and not a, not a small ticket loan. It is a big ticket loan. Like small ticket loan जैसे 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 तो already market में है, and that are the people who are lending them, are lenders, right? जो आप देखते हैं,
Right.
there's so many
Mm.
players, right? But it is a bank driven,
Mm.
RBI regulated bank driven loan,
Mm.
which will be a digital paperless loan, which is essentially your KYC, CKYC, VKYC, everything will be done online. You don't need to take a step away from your sofa, and you will
Mhm.
get the loan in your account in 1 day flat
That's
if you are
nice. Mhm.
um,
Eligible.
eligible. Yeah.
Yeah.
All that has to be set up. So this problem is, the problem is simple, right? I started with identifying the problem. I'll just go through the steps that a PM has to take. So I'll just, problem is simple. I just need to ensure that this is a digital paperless journey for the customer,
Mm-hmm.
and the journey is frictionless as well, right? It should not have, I mean, because there are so many compliances, checks involved in throughout the journey, you still have to make sure that the customer is able to go to point from A to Z without
Mm.
any friction. If he's eligible, I should not be able to say that, okay, stop the customer here, stop the customer here, right? You shouldn't.
Mm.
So, for this, right, I think you start with the problem statement, like I said, right? And this is the problem statement: identify digital, paperless, frictionless journey for the customer to get to for the eligible customer to get the loan in one
Digital,
hour.
paperless, frictionless journey for the customers.
Yeah, digital,
Okay.
paperless, frictionless journey for the customer to get the loan in their bank account in 24 to 48 hours, right?
Okay.
For the eligible customers.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the problem. Now, for the
Yeah.
solution, I will sit with my tech team, my marketing. I would not say, I mean, they're not marketing, but like account management team or the people who talk to the banks, my
Mm-hmm.
compliance team, which is legal,
Mm-hmm.
and and my UI team, to look at exactly what the solution should look like, right?
Mm.
First is the problem. Now the solution, what should it look like? Right now, obviously, we have had years of data of how a personal loan works, how people are. Some part of the funnel is done somewhere or the other in our journeys, so that journey would not change. But there is, if there are new things which are involved, like for example, there is a customer service intervention that is needed to, double check some data of the customer to ensure that the customer is not, fluffing or anything. um, all that is required. So essentially, not going into too much detail, I'm just saying that the solution is created over a lot of meetings with the teams. It is not a
Mm.
1 day or a 2 day process. You need to come up with a solution, or probably like a framework, or or a journey of the customer, or probably I would say a flow chart of the how it should look. And
Mm.
then you should sit with your team and say, hey, this is what we want.
Mm.
These are the steps that are needed to be done. I
Mm.
think this step should go here, this step should go here, this step should go here, then somebody will say, Arey, nahi, this will create all the tech backlog, ye wo.
Mm.
Then you have to figure out, nahi, see how to
I
come
trade
up,
it. I
I
trade it based on the inputs.
or come up with a solution, or come up with a uh,
Mm.
थोड़ा bargain करना पड़ता है.
Yes,
But
yes.
no, I'm sure, like all that is, all that is usual.
Mm.
What you need to understand is a solution. Like I said, you own the solution, but the solution is never a one person thing. Can't be
Yes.
one person thing, right?
Yeah.
You have to talk to so many people, right? So once you have, after that, when you have the entire flowchart ready, you need to write down every step, write in English every step,
Mm.
and you need to write it as you need to. And I've always like told this to people as well. When
Mm.
you write it, you don't use like fancy words and don't use like
Mm.
fancy language, right? Because there's somebody in some quality analysis team who's going
Yes.
to test it, and
Right.
he should know the product better than the developer,
Yeah.
because he needs to test it, or he
Right.
or she needs to like be the customer. So if they
Mm.
don't know कि भाई अगर A हो गया और B हो गया और C नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, if they don't
Mm.
know that, then that is not tested, वो आपका बग जाएगा मार्केट में, and that will be an issue, right? So you should
Definitely.
write everything properly, get it reviewed by multiple people. Once you've written, you shouldn't be like, a product manager should be very humble, right? You should not
Mm.
be like कि अरे मैंने लिख दिया तो लिख दिया, हो गया तो हो गया, कह दिया तो कह दिया. It shouldn't be like that, right? You
Yeah.
should speak with people. It's okay to make corrections. Speak with people from your team, speak with people from tech, and tell them, say, hey, these are the things. And when you write, more often than not, when you write, you will find issues. You will yourself find issues in the solution that you've thought of or has been.
Mm.
क्योंकि हम लिख रहे हैं ना उसको, अब तो हमें समझ आ रहा है कि अरे ये तो हमने ए बी कर दिया, फिर ये सी तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा अगर हमने ए बी ऐसे कर दिया तो.
Edge cases.
एज केसेस समझ आते हैं तब.
Edge cases.
All of
Yeah.
that should be written very, very clearly. So as a product manager, writing the BRD, writing is very, very important. Figure out, मुझे लगता है कि there are so many books on it,
Yes.
how to write BRD, and I'm sure like in your session also they would understand. but writing a user story or writing a BRD without fancy words, without fancy, if A if B ऐसे ऐसे करके करोगे तो किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा। और
राइट।
एज अ कस्टमर उसको समझो, रादर दैन एज अ, अगर आप टेक की तरह लिखते हो ना, मैंने देखा है टेक जो स्टोरीज लिखते हैं वर्सेस जो हम स्टोरीज लिखते
हाँ, टेक टेक का वो उनकी लैंग्वेज, टेक टेक वाली लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं वो
वो
लोग
कोई
दे।
नहीं टेस्ट कर पाता यार, दे
हाँ,
nobody
यस,
is able to test it, right?
यस,
So you need to, when you are testing it, you need to understand that you're writing the story for the developer as much as for the quality analyst, more for the quality team, because you need to ensure कि भाई quality team 50 बग निकाले इसमें, so that
यस।
आपके बग आगे ना जाए, प्रोडक्शन में ना जाए,
इट शुड बी इन
right?
लेमन लैंग्वेज, वेरी
हाँ,
लेमन
लेमन
लैंग्वेज,
लैंग्वेज में लिखो,
लेमन लैंग्वेज,
वेरी
या।
क्लियरली लिखो। देन वी डू एंड देन उसके बाद एक यूआई लेयर होता है, व्हिच इज, इफ मोस्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स रिक्वायर यूआई, कुछ बैकएंड प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं जो नहीं जिनको यूआई की जरूरत नहीं होती, बट मोस्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स रिक्वायर यूआई।
या
सो
फ्रंट
व्हाट
एंड।
वी डू इज वी आइदर डू wireframes first and then do the UX for it, or the mocks for it, or mocks के लिए कोई और होता है, mocks के लिए there's a designer who does the mocks. We are not supposed to design the mocks, I'm sure you guys all are aware, but wireframes we are supposed to give the
क्रिएट।
wireframes, at least, if not on, like, it depends on the size of the organization again that you are working in, but if not on paper, sorry, if not on balsamic or any fancy
फिग्मा
tool, it
और,
should be on
या।
paper. It should be on paper. Just take a picture, send it to your designer and say, see, this is what I want, like this is how it should look. And sometimes what happens is designers would come back and say, why? Like they'll say, why do you want this button here? Why do you want this drop down here? Why can't we have a toggle button? Why can't we do this? Why can't we do that? Right? You should have a reason for it. You should
राइट।
do your market research. You should figure out, I don't know, but see, there are other players in the market who have good products. Like, don't look
राइट।
at like random products. Look at
हम्म।
Google products, look at Amazon products, look at all that.
हम्म।
And then you should be able to present your case, because you are giving opinions. As a product manager, you should have a strong opinion, right?
राइट।
And data to back that opinion.
रेफरेंस भी दिखाना पड़ेगा ना कि भाई देख,
That
ऐसे इसने ऐसा, ऐसे इसने ऐसा बनाया है तो अच्छा लग रहा है, देख अपने को भी दिखाना है
हाँ,
ऐसा।
अच्छा लग रहा है, प्लस आई एम श्योर इट्स वर्किंग,
हाँ।
because they've not changed it. They have a lot more customers than us. अगर अभी
हम्म।
तक नहीं काम कर रहा होता, they would have changed it, but they're
हम्म।
not changed it, so that means that that it's working for them,
हम्म।
right? So ये सब, you should ensure that all that is there as well. Okay, so we've come to the UX. मॉक बन गए, आपके मॉक्स आपने अप्रूव कर दिए, राइट?
या।
आपने एज अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर आपने मॉक्स अप्रूव कर दिए। आपने फिर एक किया किक ऑफ। वंस योर मॉक्स आर डन, योर किक ऑफ इज डन विद द टेक टीम, विद द QA टीम, विद all the teams involved, as many teams. Try and get in this discussion. I have had 30 people, 40 people for a small user story, क्योंकि जितने आप लोग लाओगे इस डिस्कशन में उतना इंपॉर्टेंट है, अदरवाइज पीपल विल से अरे मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था क्या
हम्म।
रहा। We didn't know that this was going to happen. So it is important as a product manager. It's like you are the CEO of that product. तो आपको
हम्म।
सबको टेबल पे लाना है और सबको बताना है. It might take time for you to answer everybody's queries in that session.
यस।
That's okay, that's fine, guys. Like, it is something that you should learn to do. You should learn to say, okay, I don't know, I'll have to come back on it. And that's a good point. I'll probably think of it and say come back on it, and
राइट।
think about it, right?
हम्म।
That is absolutely fine. You're not supposed to know everything, but you
हम्म।
have to take everybody's buy-in, because tomorrow when it will be launched, somebody from customer service team will say, but it should supposed to have a upload option also. Where was the upload option? And you'll be like,
हाँ।
"Arey, oh, you didn't tell me earlier."
हम्म।
I didn't know that this was happening. All that. ये
कीपिंग
सब
ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स अलाइंड इज इम्पोर्टेंट बेसिकली।
very good. Very,
या।
very, very important. It's
यस।
very good practice to take everybody um,
हम्म।
on board, और फिर बात करना इसमें, ठीक है?
हम्म।
And then I think we have उसके बाद we've come to kickoff. Kickoff पर development cycle होता है. Development cycle में somebody
यस।
comes to you for a clarification. That's something that you do. एक बात मैं बोलना भूल गई, इन योर स्टोरीज और योर व्हेनेवर यू आर राइटिंग द राइटिंग द रिक्वायरमेंट, टॉक अबाउट एनालिटिक्स। वेरी
हम्म।
इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप, टॉक अबाउट हाउ विल इट बी मेजर्ड। कहाँ पे जाएगा डेटा, कैसे जाएगा डेटा, कौन सा डेटा होगा। आपको आपको ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है कि कैसे जाएगा, दैट इज सॉरी माय बैड, यू दैट टेक टीम विल डिसाइड, बट यू वुड प्रोबेबली राइट कौन सा मुझे डेटा चाहिए। यू विल से
KPIs,
हाँ मुझे
KPIs
कि
that will be monitoring.
correct. What
Yeah.
what measure? What will you be measuring? So, say for
Hmm.
example, you're launching a page, a new login page. What will you be measuring? How many people are entering on their name? How many people are
Right.
entering mobile number? How many people are entering email ID? How many people
Right.
are clicking on the forgot password? How many people are clicking on each page? How
Hmm.
in each link? How many people are saying? So all that आप करेंगे, right? तो वो सब
Hmm.
आपका measure होना चाहिए, वो पहले से decide हो जाना चाहिए कि आपको
Right.
ये measure करना है,
Right.
राइट? सो दैट एंड में वो बोलेंगे अरे अब बैठ के टेक टीम को भी, उसको भी इन्वॉल्व करो फिर से।
Hmm.
दैट शुड नॉट बी द केस, राइट?
Right.
So and then you have yeah, then the development cycle, QA cycle चलता है अपना। Once
Launch.
that is done, launch,
Hmm.
and on the day of launch you look at the product yourself. It will take
Testing.
some, हाँ टेस्टिंग आपको खुद करनी पड़ेगी। स्टेज 3 में जाओ। अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, जैसे मेरे पास अभी स्टेज 3 एक्सेस नहीं है सपोज से फोन में या किसी में, I'll just ask someone to share a screen and do whatever I'm doing, telling them.
Hmm. Hmm.
Sit with the QA, do the testing yourself. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आप देखो और आप बताओ अरे ये बग रह गया, या ऑन द डे ऑफ लॉन्च, या एक्चुअली 2-3 दिन पहले ही कर लो। तो ये बग्स आप बताओ उनको कि ये बग्स हैं, ये
Hmm.
बग्स हैं, ये बग्स हैं। ये आप लॉग करो सो दैट दिस कैन बी रिज़ॉल्व्ड एज़ वेल।
Resolved.
बट यू
Hmm.
हैव टू सी इट बिफोर इट गोज़ लाइव। इफ यू डोंट सी इट, यू डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग।
Right.
आपको नहीं पता है,
हाँ, बाद में
राइट?
पता चलेगा कि कुछ कुछ पता नहीं है, बग नहीं, कई बार क्या रिक्वायरमेंट ही एज इट इज मीट नहीं हुआ है, कुछ भी
करेक्ट।
प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है,
कुछ
सो
भी
इट्स वेरी
प्रॉब्लम आ
इंपॉर्टेंट
सकती है।
एज अ
राइट,
प्रोडक्ट
इट इज़
मैनेजर.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सी इट, you are attached to your product. Be very
हम्म.
sure of that. Like you are because you should be very passionate about the fact that अरे यार मैंने solution बनाया है,
हम्म.
तो ये सही जाना चाहिए।
हम्म.
और मैं बाद में डिसाइड करूँगी कि इसमें क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट्स कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट इट शुड बी, यू शुड बी पैशनेट अबाउट, यू शुड बी अटैच्ड टू इट। इफ यू आर नॉट अटैच्ड टू इट तो क्या होता है कि वी आर मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्रोडक्ट टू अनदर प्रोडक्ट, जल्दी-जल्दी आप मूव कर रहे हो। आई अंडरस्टैंड ऐसा करना पड़ता है, बट यू
हम्म.
स्टिल नीड टू नो व्हेन इज़ ईच ऑफ देम लॉन्चिंग सो यू कैन डू अ टेस्ट बिफोरहैंड। और
राइट.
वो थोड़ा-सा लाइक 80% 90% कंप्लीट प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए सो दैट आपको ऐसे नहीं है कि मतलब बिल्कुल ही कंप्लीट नहीं है और आप तभी आप बग्स दिखाना शुरू कर दो, तो वो बोलेंगे यार कर रहे हैं हम, रुक जाओ।
कर ले, हाँ, कंप्लीट करने दो.
करेक्ट,
डोंट जंप द गन.
करेक्ट, ठीक है? तो
गॉट इट.
ये है दिस इज़ द एंटायर जर्नी दैट आई फॉलो इन
दैट्स
बैंक।
नाइस, दैट्स नाइस. अदिति ने पूरा लाइफ साइकिल, बैंक बाजार का पूरा लाइफ साइकिल लॉन्च का आपको शेयर कर दिया.
बिल्कुल।
That's really nice. Yes, nice. So one point from this, Aditi, that you have mentioned ना, you mentioned that कि मोकअप्स इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बिकॉज कई बार मेरे पास ये क्वेरी आता है, ठीक है, कि एज अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर यू शुड नो प्रोडक्ट दिस यूएक्स डिजाइनिंग स्किल और नॉट. ठीक है. आई पर्सनली आई पर्सनली प्रिफर दिस थिंग. ओके, रीजन बीइंग बिकॉज माय मैक्सिमम एक्सपीरियंस विद द स्मॉल स्टार्टअप्स, तो वहाँ
हुँ,
पे कई बार रिसोर्सेज भी नहीं होता.
या या
एंड
आई
सेकेंडली समटाइम्स आई फील कि जितना टाइम, बिकॉज आई एम गुड विद दैट थिंग, सो दैट्स अनदर रीजन. सो समटाइम्स आई फील दैट हाउ द टाइम दैट आई बी पुटिंग विद द डिजाइनर के साथ बैठ के उसको समझाऊंगा, आइट्रेशन करवाऊंगा, उतनी देर में तो मैं खुद बना के दे दूंगा.
आई
Okay,
एग्री।
so I want to know your take on this. Ki what you feel around this? Ki as a product manager, one should know the UX designing or not?
सी आई थिंक प्रोस एंड कॉन्स हैं दोनों चीज़ों के। योर
Hmm.
टाइम इज़ प्रोबेबली मोर वैल्यूएबल देन अ यूएक्स डिज़ाइनर्स टाइम। तो
Yes.
आप ये आपको अगर आप यूएक्स डिज़ाइन में अपना टाइम निकाल रहे हो, तो आप इंटर्न आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो जो कि आपको करना चाहिए था। जैसे
कुछ
आप
मिस हो
डेटा
रहा है.
एनालिसिस नहीं कर रहे हो या कुछ कर नहीं कर रहे हो,
Hmm.
ठीक है? एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई एब्सोल्युटली एग्री एंड आई हैव थॉट टू माय सेल्फ एंड आई एम श्योर एवरी प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर हैज़ थॉट टू देमसेल्फ, अरे यार मैं कर लेती। यू लाइक रिलैक्स, इट्स ये इधर करना है, ये इधर करना है। यू नो इट्स लाइक दैट। एवरीवन वुड हैव थॉट ऑफ इट। But I think that it's again time against what you're getting out of it.
ROI.
Yeah, exactly.
ROI. ROI. Okay, that's great. So my next question is, give me three things that helped you achieve success in your career. So in this product role, अगर मतलब एक क्रक्स निकालें हम, तो what are three things that you feel that have
Right.
helped you, and I'm
Right.
sure that will be useful for other people here and
Yeah.
for me as well. Yeah.
Right. I think the first thing is that I can confidently say is that I'm a curious person. I like to know things. I like to learn things. I like to learn a lot more. So if something is happening, कोई कुछ कर रहा है किसी कोने में मुझे पता चल रहा है तो हम लाइक क्या कर रहा है क्या है व्हाट इज
हाँ.
दिस व्हाट कैसे चलता है ये सर्वर्स क्यों हम शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं बार बार लाइक व्हाट इज दिस सो इट माइट नॉट इन्वॉल्व माय me there and then but it's just that when you are a curious person you are able to find out problems that others might have looked like overlooked right
Hmm.
and because either like वो सिर्फ उसी में काम कर रहे हैं साइलो में आप काम नहीं कर सकते एज अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर राइट सो आई
Hmm.
थिंक that is one. I think you have to be very curious.
Hmm.
I think secondly, collaboration. I
Hmm.
have and humility. Like I'll put the two together. You cannot be that person जो कि आप बोल दो and I have seen product managers कि बोल दिया ना मैंने मतलब करो. It's not supposed to be like that. It is never a good sign of a product manager who will say कि आप मैंने लिख दिया है अब आप उसको कर दो.
Hmm.
That is not a good way of doing things. You should always take everybody's buy-in, listen to people. Everybody is there for a reason,
Hmm.
and understand what they are saying, right? And अगर आप जितना उनसे बात करोगे वो आपसे उतना बात करेंगे
Right.
और उससे क्या होगा आपको सीखने को मिलेगा बिकॉज आपको नहीं पता कि say for example a QA person right a very junior QA person they are testing 5 different products some of them you might not have designed पर वो आपको अगर आप उनसे बात करोगे तो वो आपको थोड़ा सा इंसाइट दे सकते हैं अरे लेकिन हमने उसमें ना हमने ये किया था विच वॉज
Hmm.
अ गुड आइडिया आई थिंक एंड
Hmm.
देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड अच्छा हाँ लाइक दैट इज एक्चुअली अ गुड आइडिया राइट सो
Hmm.
take everybody's input it is very very important.
Hmm.
I think thirdly without tooting my own horn I think it is very important to be a good speaker. You have to be a good writer and a good speaker in product. If you are not able to hold a meeting of 20 people 30 people, I'm sure like Sachin might agree as well, right? You need to talk to people
Right.
and convey your point in a manner that everybody can come on board with it or have questions about it, right? It's always okay to like listen कि अरे नहीं यार गलत बोल रहे हो like it's not
Hmm.
it's fine it's
Hmm.
I have heard it like so many times right which is fine but you should be able to communicate your point and say कि ये मेरा डेटा ये कहता है या ये मेरा रिसर्च ये कहता है अब आप मतलब यू कैन डिसाइड ऑफ वेदर वी शुड डू इट और नॉट डू इट और व्हाटएवर इट इज ठीक है सो यू एंड राइट लाइक यू शुड राइट वेल और इसके लिए बहुत सारी लाइक आई सेड बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो अच्छे से नहीं लिख पाते हैं
Hmm.
बट इसके लिए बहुत कोर्सेज हैं एंड बहुत सारे बुक्स हैं on how to
Hmm.
write a good story so you should figure that out. I think these are the three things that are really important in any product manager and I think I have some of it so I've done well so far.
I had seen some product managers. They are writing the user stories in one line. एक line लिखा खत्म. मेरे को ये क्या है?
I have seen that as well. I've seen that as well. Yeah.
मेरे को ये क्या है? इसको क्या करें? इसका क्या करना है? So yeah, it should be descriptive as well कि समझ वो आपने जो बोला ना कि शुरू में कि ये समझ में आना चाहिए. सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं है वो दूसरे के लिए बनाया है आपने जो कुछ भी लिखा
Correct.
है.
I
तो
think over communication is a very very important point.
हम्म.
Over communicate करो ठीक है यार सबको पता है मतलब है सबको पता है जैसे आपको पता है कि हाँ ए टू बी जाना है अब आपको आप जो लिख रहे हो वो बी टू सी है ए टू बी आपको पता है कि ऑलरेडी कस्टमर जा चुका है तो आप अगर आप उसके ए टू बी के बारे में अगर थोड़ा सा लिख भी दोगे नोबडी विल से कि क्यों लिख दिया हम तो बी
सही
टू सी
बात है.
बना रहे हैं
सही.
इट्स जस्ट दैट it is easier for you to or for anybody to write a story to understand the entire picture always talk about the objective of
हम्म.
why we are doing it tell it to anyone everyone whoever is involved कि क्यों कर रहे हैं हम
हम्म.
क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है ये मैंने क्यों सोचा है करने के लिए या मेरे को कस्टमर ने या मैनेजमेंट ने क्यों बोला है करने के लिए व्हाटएवर इट इज राइट सो
Yes.
या दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट
I had added a habit over here. मुझे एक मेरी फ्रेंड थी उनके साथ मैं एक बार डिस्कस कर रहा था तो उससे पहले नहीं करता था मैं भी डायरेक्टली यूजर स्टोरी ऐसे ही शुरू हो जाता था लिखना. सो फ्रॉम दिस आई जस्ट गॉट दिस पॉइंट. सो व्हाट आई हैड डन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग. मेरा सबसे पहला यूजर स्टोरी के अंदर जो सबसे पहली चीज होती थी ऑब्जेक्टिव. 2 लाइन ऑब्जेक्टिव पे जाने ही जाने हैं.
करेक्ट
चाहे वो
मेरे
कितनी भी छोटी यूजर स्टोरी है चाहे बड़ी यूजर स्टोरी है बट इट शुड बी देयर.
हाँ, आई एग्री। मेरी भी चाहे
हाँ
आप कलर चेंज कर रहे हो एक बटन का।
हाँ, वो कुछ ना कुछ है, उसके पीछे ऑब्जेक्टिव है।
हाँ,
तो
कि भाई हमने यहाँ देखा तो कर लिया ऐसे जो भी
हाँ,
है, व्हाटएवर इट
यस,
इज।
बिकॉज वो बाद में भी रेफरेंस के लिए इजी रहता है कि अगर आपको 2 साल बाद भी वो टिकट उठाया किसी वजह से, किसी भी रीजन की वजह से, तो दैट दैट मेक सेंस कि हाँ भाई किस वजह से उठाया था। ओके, सो क्वेरीज फ्रॉम माय साइड आर डन, ठीक है। आई विल गिव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अदर folks here. So guys, you can raise your hands, ठीक है। आई विल ब्रिंग each one of you one by one. So yeah, you can raise your hand. There is an option here. नीचे मिलेगा ना रे।
चैट में भी कोई क्वेश्चंस, देयर हैव बीन सम क्वेश्चंस एज
हाँ,
वेल।
वी विल स्टार्ट पिकिंग अप बाय रेजिंग हैंड्स, एक एक करके, फिर हम अनम्यूट करके हॉट सीट पे लाके ही कर लेते हैं, डायरेक्ट बेटर है।
ओके।
तो मधुर रेज्ड हिज हैंड फर्स्ट, सो मधुर यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड yeah, if you are having any queries
Yeah,
for
actually,
either.
I have also mentioned that question that chat also. Is the user story is actually part of PM job? Means on
Yes,
the both side.
That
Means
is the
generally product
most
owner is
important.
actually running na. That generally product owners are writing this.
So what is the difference between product manager and product owners, you think?
No, for me actually, for product owner is actually working generally with solution engineering teams. Okay, product manager is generally working either with customer side or giving his expertise, thought, and strategic planning on the product which is going to be developed, or the feature which is actually raised from customer and then that need to be developed.
Got it.
So mostly means we only means as a product manager I can say I am working in that product delivery role. So generally most of the things we only explain the things, okay, in the ticket or whatever things we have raised a requirement which we have discussed multiple times, but then product owners is actually collaborating those things and then they explain it to the development team. This is the case currently in which I am. So I'm just that's why I was curious to know that the thing that the user story need to be written by us also, that is in that what I can say means if you are not, if you are in product company then you need to write this, or if you are in services company like means I am working in TCS, so I need to write that or not. Means mostly in my I don't know means in my sector anyone is running means writing this thing in terms of PO.
Got it, got it. No, that's a good fair point, Madhur. I think every company is different. Every company is structured differently. I think that the product manager role that you mentioned is usually treated as a project manager or a program manager in other companies, in most companies. But like I said, every company is different, so it might as well be, that your team or your company handles product managers as responsible for development cycle. But what I feel is that a product manager should own they do own the development cycle with the project manager. If you have a project manager with you, I mean, mostly in most cases they're not really available in smaller startups, but
Right.
like if you have them, like you can offload some of the work to the project manager. But a product manager is responsible for writing user stories, and I think my suggestion to you, if you want to go to the product owner um, you know uh, uh, role, is that you should find holes in that person's whatever he has written. Okay, be nice, be humble, and say that I think that this could have been also added. I think that this should have been also added. Just say that, and then you will realize that you will move to the next step very quickly.
Actually what happens now generally in our cases means generally product managers means they are looking up, or you can say the persons who are actually implementing the things, they actually raise the requirement in a manner that everyone can understand. Means
Hmm.
if you are a good PM or you are a good implementation manager, then you will actually raise the things in the way means you can already make customer out of it, because you already learn the things and means take the things from customer in a way so that your product means solution engineering will not take so much time to understand the things. Means generally I am doing this and my means I don't know means the trainings which we have got from our seniors means in that way only. And most of the things that if you are making it even the customer specific requirement, that should also become the generalized one. Means so
Wow.
that our product means that will actually fit somewhere in our existing product, so that it will not affect the other customers who are using the same things, because generally the products which are running currently means that is for common for everyone. Means
Mm-hmm.
anywhere that is specific raised by some customer, but that used by everyone, so means they want some things to be fit in the existing product. That's why I actually asked, means if I need, means I can write it, no problem in that, but that is a part of our role or not, basically means you have already told that you can run it on.
बेसिकली
Means
मधुर कई बार पता है क्या
I
होता है
was
कि
actually confirm, मैं पता है इस पे थोड़ा कंफ्यूज भी था। तो अभी क्या
हाँ
हुआ, अभी रिसेंटली मैंने 2 महीने पहले एक सर्टिफिकेशन किया था, तो आई
हाँ
वाज एक्चुअली कंफ्यूज अबाउट दिस। तो मैंने क्या किया कि उसको प्रोडक्ट ओनर और प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर पे मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हूँ, तो मैंने दोनों वाला ही सर्टिफिकेट किया है, वो सेफ
So,
सर्टिफिकेशन मैंने
Sachin,
निकाला है, प्रोडक्ट
हाँ,
ओनर पीएमपीओ का ही निकाला है। मैंने जानबूझ के, मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज था इस पे।
कोई नहीं। तो सचिन, आप इसको ना ये थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक वी बोथ ऑफ अस कम फ्रॉम स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड,
यस
एंड आई थिंक टीसीएस वगैरह में थोड़ा डिफरेंट है
हाँ
डेफिनेशंस।
राइट राइट।
हाँ,
बेसिकली वही होता है मधुर होता क्या है ना देखो कई बार ना हमें स्क्रम मास्टर भी नहीं मिलते हैं प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स को
स्क्रम मास्टर, एजाइल का, दैट्स
वैसे जरूरत
एक्चुअली
क्या है उनकी, वैसे अगर अगर सही से देखा जाए, अगर हम लोग ही कर लेंगे तो उनकी वैसे जरूरत भी नहीं है।
तो यही है ना कि
यही बात है।
बिकॉज यू नीड टू गेट रेडी बिकॉज इफ यू आर गेटिंग समथिंग डन बाय समवन एल्स ना तो कम से कम वो चीज आपको पहले आता हो
राइट
if
राइट
you should have that knowledge. Yes, you can outsource that. In some companies I had seen that these APMs are doing all these stuff of running the agile and all these stuff. They are doing the leading the team. वो mainly the PMs and the senior PMs are on the strategy building part. Implementation APMs are taking care of that part.
राइट राइट
ठीक है तो there is no existence. वहां पे कोई implementation तुम्हें ही करवाना है, तुम्हारा टीम है, सब कुछ तुम्हें करवाना है.
राइट।
So this happens. So you should be ready. You should be ready with these skills like UX designing. Okay, Aditi mentioned that yes, she's fortunate that she got these people inside her team.
वो मेरे
But
साथ भी है, मतलब हमको भी मिले हुए हैं, तो हमें जरूरत नहीं पड़ता, बताना पड़ता
नहीं,
है
बट
अभी।
एटलीस्ट एक बाल्समिक डिजाइनिंग आपको आना चाहिए। वायर
yes,
फ्रेमिंग इज आल्सो, यूएक्स इज नॉट जस्ट आई थिंक जस्ट टू सचिन्स पॉइंट, ही इज वेरी राइट दैट यूएक्स डिजाइनिंग अगर हम खुद ही कर लें तो दैट इज मच easier, much faster, and probably of a good, better quality without anything against the designers and the UX designers. And my sister is a Google director in UX, and she'd kill me when she sees it. But so essentially, without anything against it, but
आने
you
से
अगर
बेनिफिट है.
कर ले तो हाँ तो बेटर है। बट आई थिंक टू मधुर्स पॉइंट, यूजर स्टोरीज तो आप ही को लिखनी है। अब आप आज अपनी थोड़ी सी लिखते हो, जो आप बोलते हो कि अरे जो हम एडिशंस करते हैं और ताकि बाकी लोग समझ सकें बेटर, उस तरह से
राइट।
लिखते हैं आज आप, तो वो आपका आज का रोल है। आगे जाके आप ही को लिखनी
वो
होंगी यूजर
फॉर्मेटिंग में
स्टोरी।
लिखना पड़ेगा, मतलब जो मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, एक मतलब एक पूरा पैराग्राफ बना के उसको पार्ट्स में लिख के बना के देना पड़ेगा सिनेरियोस।
Yeah, so I'll tell you a very good example of my company, right? There was this very smart dev, and he was a developer, right? And I think he is now in Meta ya kuch. But I think what he used to do, and not his job, but what he used to do is every week he'd publish a newsletter with all the product managers and CXOs, like a management team in loop. And he'll say कि मुझे लगता है like this, and he'll give a big email ki this is the screenshot and this is how it is working right now. I think that we could do better here because of XYZ. He does not have access to any data. He does not have access to anything else of what we are doing. But he is at least taking that initiative. वो 5 पॉइंट्स
राइट
लेता है, उसमें एक कुछ काम का है या नहीं है, या दो कुछ काम के हैं या नहीं है, but at least you have to take that initiative. I think that also answers the step for becoming a PM as a fresher.
राइट।
Initiative is important,
yes,
guys.
yes,
मेरे
yes.
क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली ऐसे ही वाले आ रहे हैं, जबकि 3-4 सेशन में जब भी सेशन, क्योंकि होता क्या है कि मेरे को आगे वाले रोल्स नहीं पता है, बट क्योंकि मैं एक्सपीरियंस हूं तो मेरे को ये पता है कि काम क्या हो रहा है। वो
Hmm.
थोड़ा सा मतलब
So
उसका
you
फायदा
should
भी है, नुकसान भी है।
so you should start writing. You should see what your, like whatever role you want are doing, and start doing it. Start doing it. कोई नहीं मना कर रहा आपको। आपको
हाँ
कोई नहीं
क्योंकि
बोलेगा अरे क्यों कर रहे हो? Like why are you, do it once a week. Once a week, send it to your boss. Send it to your boss. Like करो ये काम तो आप, so that you make your space like that.
Right.
कुछ नहीं होगा, there will 5 people will say यार क्या है, क्या हर हफ्ते मेल डाल देता है। लेकिन some people will say like look at the
They
initiative.
will appreciate some
They will
people will
appreciate.
appreciate that.
ये
Yeah.
सजेशन मैं लेता हूँ, नेक्स्ट टिकट मैं इस बार ब्रेकअप करके डालता हूँ।
हाँ, exactly.
Very sorry.
And write as much as you can because the product
Right, right.
manager, you have to write well. और अभी तो chat GPT आ गया यार, write nicely.
Yeah.
Correct. I will do that.
And you can
Thank you.
give this initiative credit to Aditi.
Sure.
This
Sure.
initiative that you will be taking on. Yeah,
But I think everybody should. Here, I'm assuming that all of you are like aspiring PMs. Everybody should in their companies write about, and I think this is the advice I would give myself 5 years ago as well. Write about something and send it to people. It does not matter. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे यार क्यों, but most of them will say it is a good initiative. कुछ बोल रहे हो यार, feedback दे रहे हो मुझे कुछ. It's fine, right?
Right.
yeah.
All right, all the best.
Thank you.
Super,
Thank you so much.
super awesome. More power to you, Madhur. So next is Nirmal. So Nirmal raised his hand. Guys, those who are having queries, please raise your hands rather than sharing the chat. Okay. So yeah, Nirmal, you are open to ask your queries.
Thank you, Sachin, and thank you, Aditi, for sharing your experience with us. So my question is, I come from a tech background. So predominantly, I'm a UX designer, but I'm also a front-end developer with an extensive experience of 11 years. But my question is, how much of the business or the analytics side needs to be learned that's required for this role for someone who is completely detached from this aspect and who comes from a tech background?
I think that the fact that you come from a tech background is a great plus. Most of the product managers do not have tech not most actually. I'll just some of the product managers do not have tech backgrounds. Product managers should have a little bit of understanding of tech. So that is very is a great plus for
Yeah.
you, right? See, एनालिटिक्स को ना सुन के लोगों को ना लगता है कि क्या हुआ है, पता नहीं क्या एनालिटिक्स की कैसे करेंगे कैसे नहीं करेंगे. Do the Google Analytics का course. It's free, guys, and it will tell you most about, I mean, that is the best course to do about analytics. और आप उसको करेंगे ना तो आपको समझ आएगा कि ये इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. एंड कंसिडरिंग दैट यूर अ टेक एंड अ यूएक्स, इट्स नथिंग दैट यू कांट लर्न. आप लर्न तो आप सभी कुछ कर सकते हो, रॉकेट साइंटिस्ट भी बन सकते हो, यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग, राइट? बट इज
Yeah,
दैट
so I'm sorry to interrupt you. So I've already done analytics, Google Analytics, and SEO also. But what I meant was the business side of data analysis, and um, wherever the area which the MBA grads bring in, that comes in, right?
राइट? जस्ट टू लाइक बस्ट योर मिथ, एमबीए में भी कोई ऐसी एनालिटिक्स नहीं सिखाते.
अच्छा.
There's nothing
ये
GABA नहीं पता सिखाते. But
ये
anyways, I'll
I
just
want
tell
to
you.
interrupt here.
हाँ
Just a
जी, हाँ
second.
जी.
Just ये ना एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है जो लोगों का आता है. Even though I know
एक पॉइंट
Aditi
मेरा
आपका
भी है,
आपका
इसमें मैं भी बोलूंगा.
ठीक
एक
है,
पॉइंट मैं भी बोलूंगा बाद.
ये एक्सटेंड हो रहा है हमारा डिस्कशन. सो
कोई-
ये अभी चैट में मैं देख रहा था, शायद मैंग का क्वेरी था ये वाला, कि कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि एमबीए से, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एन एमबीए टू बी वेरी
Yeah, my
ऑनेस्ट.
boss is not an MBA. So many people have not an MBA. Yeah.
हाँ, तो आपने किया एमबीए, उसके बाद आपने बीए में गए, फिर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में गए हो. सो व्हाट यू फील कि एमबीए से क्या मतलब, क्या लगा आपको कि कुछ ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है?
बहुत बड़ा myth है. I agree. There is no difference, guys. There is no difference other than a degree in your resume. There is no difference. And I think that probably if you want to go in services company, somebody will say कि क्योंकि services company में क्या होता है कि आपको client को दिखाना होता है कि भाई हमारे पास 5 MBA grad है, what not, right? लेकिन product company में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And being a product manager, like कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता if you're an MBA or not. It does not matter. I think your curiosity is most important. Nirmal, what I'll give you a suggestion, right? If you have product managers that are like some friends in your team, go to them and understand a little bit of data with them, right? I have spent time with one of my colleagues who is a content manager, and I have tried to explain some data to them and tried to tell them, see, this is how you look at data, and this is how you make decisions basis it. So sit with them, try and say कि भाई मुझे, this is my next step that I want to take, and I want to learn. So nobody will see, mostly ना अगर आप क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे तो कोई आंसर आपके पास कैसे आएगा? आपको पूछना पड़ेगा,
राइट.
राइट? आपको जाना पड़ेगा. एंड दे विल से कि नहीं यू नो आई एम बिजी या व्हाटएवर. बट जस्ट से अच्छा ठीक है, आप मुझे थोड़ा सा दिखा दो, आप ये एनालिसिस कैसे करते हो. लाइक व्हेनेवर दे आर प्रेजेंटिंग एन एनालिसिस टू यू, जस्ट से कि आपने ये कैसे किया, लाइक हाउ डू यू spend, if you can give me like 20 minutes of your time, right?
True.
And nobody will say no to it, mostly.
Right.
So
Right. So
just
what I've realized is the biggest aspect of PM role is product teardown, right? What are the requirements and what different approaches you can take, different iterations and user research and market research, what generally we UX guys also do. So mostly it does coincide with my role, but
yeah.
I was just wondering if there's something else which I might be missing out that I might need to learn.
Okay. Which company do you work in? If I don't, if
I work with a startup, so it's a very small startup called Dimensions.io in Bangalore.
perfect, perfect.
And my current role is also a product lead, but it's mostly on the tech side. So I lead a team of 8 people. Most of them are front end developers, and I've also come from a CS background, but I've also always had a passion for design. So I'm a self-taught UX and a visual design, and I've been doing it for quite a long while.
I think, Nirmal, that is great. I think the fact that you work in a small company is a very big plus. I think you should start positioning yourself as a product manager now in front of your CPO or whoever is the CXO. Like, start doing that. Try and send, like I said, try and be that product manager. Write user stories. If you're not, are you not writing user stories right now?
Not as of now.
Okay. So if there is something that is presented to you, think about it in a sense. In suppose somebody has given you a login of how to do a login, right? Somebody says you tells you how to do the login and you have to implement it. You should do your market research, attach 10 screenshots, send that in email and say this is how other people are doing it. Should we consider, do you think, and how we should go about it? And do you think that what Google is doing versus what Facebook, do we need Google login, do we need Facebook login, do we need WhatsApp login, do we need Truecaller login, do we need, do that research, position yourself. I think the fact that you're in a small company is a great plus. You can make yourself get that role very fast.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, more power to you, Nirmal. So we
Thanks.
will pick up last queries, Aditi, for you because I'd हमारा discussion हुआ था आधे घंटे के लिए, but yeah, I think it's
Oh my
extending.
God, yeah.
It's closing. So we will pick up last query from Shabapati, and then you can leave this session, and we will continue this. Okay. So yeah, please, Shabapati.
Yeah, hi,
You can ask.
Aditi. Thanks for being here and thanks for sharing your experience. So mine is generic question. So like being a PM, so what are the challenges you face like being acting as a catalyst? So you'll be like working with the marketing team, sales team, engineering team, even customer success team. So it's like very challenging thing, right? Now I'm being a project manager, handling a single team will deliver the project and move on to the next sprint. So it is how it goes on. We'll not much have dependency with the like external teams, but like being a PM, I could see like this is the main challenge, like interacting with because some will be responsible, some will not be like coordinating with us, so it will be a big challenge. So how you handle like those kind of tough situations?
Yeah. I think that's a great question, Shabapati. I think you product management is not an easy gig. It's not as simple as that you'll come and you'll write stories and everybody will follow suit and write it and implement it. ऐसा नहीं, that is not the case. What is the most challenging role? Probably is challenging part of the role is collaboration. There are times that you need to iterate your stories quite a lot. There are times when at the end of the or in the middle of the cycle you might need to do an iteration, add a feature, delete a feature, or might scrap the product also. Like that is also might happen because something might be wrong with the way that you're thinking about it, or something might have changed in the market itself, right? Like say today you are doing eKYC is stopped in the market now. So all that is also the case. I think the challenge is identifying the right problem and finding the solution for it. Like I said, collaborative solution for it is interesting. It is the biggest challenge, but it is the most interesting one in a product manager's journey, right? And secondly, I don't know if I'll just take like one more minute of the time allotted to me, Sachin,
Yeah,
but
sure. You can. I'm just respecting your time. मुझे लगा कि आपका so you can take
no,
take.
I just have dinner plans. That's all. Nothing.
Okay. No problem then.
No. So, one more time, I think the other challenge is if you guys have heard of Pathfinder, there's a rover on Mars,
Yeah.
Pathfinder. Yeah, you guys are aware that it was not able to do, like, it was a robot, like a literal robot, which is like made to do stuff, and it was not able to move on not on Mars. I think it was Moon, I believe, but it was not able to move because it was not able to prioritize tasks in his head, in his in his function. So he was like, "This is my priority." The function that was written was, "This is my priority." He'll get overwhelmed. This is my priority. So the prioritization is a big challenge as well, because you'll have 10 P1s at once, and you'll figure out you'll have to understand, acha, I'll get like 40% increase, this I'll get 30% increase, but this 40% increase will take 6 months, this 30% increase will take 1 month, all that. So I'm just giving you a very basic example again, but a prioritization is a challenge as well as a gamble sometimes, but it is important. Yeah. I hope that answers.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So thank you for your time, Aditi. I've shared your LinkedIn profile, guys. I've shared Aditi's LinkedIn profile in the chat box, so you can follow her on LinkedIn. Okay, and you can connect with her. So if you are having any queries, you can discuss her over there as well. Thank
Yeah.
you for your time, Aditi. Thank you for the wisdom that
Thank
you had shared over here. Okay, I hope that will make a big shift in the life and in the career of all these people who
hope
are
so.
here.
I hope so too, guys. Like, just focus on the job that you want. Like, try and get to that. I have been, even in the simplest of emails, I had joined Bank Bazaar as not even an associate product, I think senior product analyst or something. And every year I got a promotion, right? And the reason I could do that is because I would think of how the next job should be done, and then basically train myself to do that now. So guys, just do that, and I'm sure you would be able to do really, really well. Sachin, thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you for your time. Thank you for 60 minutes,
Thank you, Aditi.
62 minutes. Thank
Thanks,
you.
guys.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Thank you. Please reach out to me if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to
I have
answer.
followed you on LinkedIn just now.
Thank you, Madhur. Thank you. I'll
Thank you.
be a lot more vocal on LinkedIn now. I think Sachin has given me the confidence to be a lot more vocal. I think that is something that you should get as well. I
You
hope
need you need to get vocal only on LinkedIn. Otherwise, you are already vocal.
Yeah, I know.
This is the quality of product managers.
Yeah, I know. Otherwise, like, yeah, I speak a lot. Yeah, but I think to create a brand, you need to be more
Yes.
vocal. I think Sachin has helped me do that. I
Yeah.
was being nice to you, Sachin. You were like, "Hey, you're already vocal."
This is the default quality of product managers. We cannot succeed without this.
Absolutely, I agree.
Okay, thank you, Aditi. Thank you for your time.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Take care. Have a
Bye.
nice weekend.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. So, I want your
Yes.
inputs. Did you enjoy this session, guys? Share in the chat box. Share in the
It
chat
was
box.
actually nice.
Share in the chat box.